And as you can see, this is economy style mixers, and this is the menu control panel. And this red button is emergency stop button for protect you from dangerous situations. And it also have an inch button and a slow speed button and a high speed button, which is they can change the mixing speed from slow to high or from high to slow. But when you press the slow button and you need to change to the high speed button, you need to press this button and press out and change to the high speed button, right?
Maybe the red button is emergency stop button,
yeah.
right?
Yes, it's an emergency stop button. Now, when you want to press stop the machines, you need to press down this button, right? And you need to change to the high speed or low speed. You need to press out and change to the high speed. Right?
Yeah.
It's really easy to operate it. Okay, and it also have a 304 food grade stainless steel. And Hawk is also using the 304 stainless steel.